quick tutorial on how to use LinkedIn for active recruitment. Companies that have recruiter access have access to about 70% of people on here. So that means that 70% of people, when they create their profile, have it as open to opportunities. And if you have your profile set as open to opportunities, that means that recruiters can directly email you with jobs or reach out to you. So the way it works is here, if you go up into your LinkedIn search button, I'm going to search for people. And when I search for people, if I look at all filters, that gives me filters that I can use to narrow down my search. So for example, in this situation, I know that I'm interested in people coming from the Western region. So I'm going to look at US and Canada. And up here, I'm going to type in the name Professor. And then from there, I'm going to look at people that are in the same profession that would have the academic level that we're looking for. So let's look at Peter. Okay, so when I look at Peter, he's a chairman, South Africa. He's a visiting professor at Oxford University. It looks like he has an abundance of experience. Okay, might be a little bit overqualified for his level in our pay scale. So we'll go back to the search. And I know that I had looked at Trevor before, so let's look at Trevor again. Trevor currently works at Memorial. Okay. And his experience, he has a good number of years of experience. So what we're going to do is we're going to message. Oh, I can't message. So I'll try to connect with Trevor. And so in doing that, I'll add a note. And what I'm going to do with a note is that I've already created a little bit of a profile saying that the College of North Atlantic is seeking. And I've put in the web ad. So then I'm going to send an invitation. And so what this does is it just gives people a little bit of a nudge to look at our positions. It can be time consuming because you're looking through, but a lot of the times when it comes to people applying on difficult to fill positions is that you're looking for people that are not currently looking for jobs. So it's not to say that they're not willing, it's just that right now they haven't had the thought process to look for jobs. But doing a little bit of a nudge and generating that conversation can go a long way.